Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to withdraw funds from your Coinbase wallet to bank account. Withdrawing funds from your Coinbase wallet to your bank account involves converting your cryptocurrency into fiat currency and then transferring the fiat currency to your bank account. So here's how you can do it. First of all, open the Coinbase application and make sure that you're signed into your account. After you're inside the main home page, go ahead and log into your account with your username and password. Now, go to Portfolio on the bottom middle of the screen and then select a cryptocurrency you want to convert to fiat. After you choose one of the cryptocurrency, tap on the Trade button at the bottom of the screen. Now click on Sell at the bottom right and review the transaction details including any fee and confirm the sale. The fiat currency will now be available in your Coinbase fiat wallet. Now get back to the portfolio section again from your Coinbase account. Go ahead and click on the transfer button at the top right corner. After you click on transfer, click on withdraw to bank option from the pop-up. If you don't see the withdraw to bank option highlighted, it means that you have not linked your bank account with your Coinbase wallet, so make sure you also do that as well. After clicking on withdraw to bank, you will be able to specify the amount of fiat currency you want to withdraw to your bank account, review the withdrawal details including any fees, and confirm the transaction in order to withdraw from Coinbase wallet to bank account. So that is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.